Et j'avais oublié de me mute. Bonsoir. C'est le métal ici ou quoi? Gros pogo sans cheveux là? Bon, 8h05, on est pas trop en retard. Est-ce que ça serait pas l'heure des zombies encore, du coup? Oh, c'était très blanc dans mes yeux ça. Alors je vais quitter, voilà, beaucoup de choses de mon PC parce que... Le... Yeah. Pour la simple et bonne raison que j'ai joué à un gros jeu tout à l'heure et que mon PC est en PLS. Putain, j'adore Epic Games qui donne des jeux gratuits que j'ai déjà. On adore ça. On pas dit que t'as ton jeu, je veux voir la suite maintenant. Mais est-ce que j'avais fait... Je sais plus si je l'avais fait en stream, mais j'avais fait des 3 Become Human il y a longtemps. Mais je sais plus si je l'avais fait en stream. Je l'avais 1, 2, 3. Si je l'avais fait en stream ce jeu. Le jeu était incroyable. Mais je sais plus. Bon. On attend la fin de la musique et puis on go. Est-ce que je prélancerai pas le jeu? On met le téléphone à charger. C'est Unforgiven celui-là? Enfin celle-là du coup. Unforgiven. Je suis pas trop fanboy, ça va. Vous avez vu mon gros front là? Salut, c'est le front. Bon allez, avant de continuer à écouter que des musiques là, et jamais joué, ça part. Si je fais ça, qu'il est lourd. C'est parce que quand je me suis redressé, j'ai fait ça, du coup c'était mon énorme front. Le front de Krillin. Euh... Ah, parfait. Je vais enlever mon pull. On enlève le pull. Les lunettes sont dégueulasses. Ça fait très longtemps qu'elles sont dégueulasses, mais... Elles le sont encore plus là. Bon, elles sont moins dégueulasses. Choisir une saison. Hmm. Saison 1. J'ai essayé de check mon téléphone qui est juste la coque. La coque. Pas tout à fait la même. Est-ce que ça fait un résumé quand je lance le jeu ou pas? Ça c'est un résumé viteuf.
Hey there, this is Glenn, and I'm kinda in a jam here. Little girl, if you're there, can you put your daddy on the phone? Or on the talkie or whatever?
This is Lee. What's up?
So, I'm down at that motor inn, and,
Au
well,
pire, est-ce qu'on
I'm
se
stuck.
souviendrait pas de ce qui s'est
Stuck?
passé hier?
Yeah, I saw a chance to get some supplies for the group, and a bunch of the Roman ones got the jump on me. I'm hiding over here, but they won't leave.
What's up? Glenn's trapped down at the motor inn. Hey,
Donc qu'est-ce qu'il
Glenn,
fallait que je
we're
fasse?
gonna
Fallait que je
talk it over
reparle
and
à
send a group to
Clem.
come get you, all right?
Awesome. I'll sit
Fallait
tight
que je
till
reparle à
then.
Sounds
Clémentine.
good.
Que je mette les piles dans la
I'm
radio
gonna hold on to
de,
this until we get Glenn back, okay? I'll take good
de
care of
Carly.
What do you think?
Histoire de
it.
la
I think
draguer,
Doug's
de la
not
draguer un
great
petit
around
peu.
zombies, and you got your family here. I'll take
De
Carly
lui
and her
dire,
dead
espèce
eye
de
down to the
débile,
motor
regarde,
inn,
t'as pas
get
bien mis les
Glenn,
piles
and
comme il
get
faut.
back here as fast as I can.
If that's what you want to do.
Somebody's got to.
Yeah, I'm in.
Good. Doesn't sound too bad there right now.
Let me know as soon as you want to head out. I could use a jog.
Et une fois que ça c'est fait, et ben on partait du coup aider Glenn. Du coup on avait trouvé à peu près tout, hein. La pile. Ah, il faut que je repasse en... Et paf. Clementine. Dragué par le bullying. C'est ma vie.
How's your finger, Clem?
Good. It doesn't hurt so much anymore.
Good. I know I'm not your dad, but if you need anything, I'm your guy, okay?
Okay.
I'm your
Same.
guy.
You're my guy?
No. You know.
We're gonna try to take care of each other.
Yes.
You my
Deal.
guy.
Let me know if you need anything.
Okay.
Évidemment que je prends des nouvelles de Clementine. Elle est trop kicks. On va pas la laisser mourir, la pauvre. Comme
And
eux-mêmes.
here's another one.
Should be able to get it to work now.
It's still not working?
Yeah, I can't figure it out.
Let me have a look at that.
Putain, mais j'avais pas lu
Go ahead.
hier, mais elle a dit je peux me débrouiller alors qu'elle met les piles à l'envers sur un dessin qui est à l'endroit. Terrible ça quand même. Comme eux-mêmes. Ok, speedrun, hop, paf, pile, hop, paf. Ok, sub 2, sub 2. Hop, on ferme. Hop. Tourne. Bouton. Speedrunner. Baise.
As the unknown affliction continues to spread
You
unchecked,
fixed
Alors
it.
du coup, qu'est-ce qu'il dit là?
death toll continues to skyrocket. WABE urges you to stay indoors and avoid any contact with
qu'on l'a pas
individuals
écouté
you
hier.
suspect may have been exposed.
The station is okay.
In the event of a full... my producer's telling me we have to get off the air now.
Steve,
WABE wishes you and your loved one... God bless you all.
Bon, on n'a rien raté quoi. Oh, mais vous êtes un chien. C'est vous le chien? Oh oui, c'est vous le chien. Vous êtes un chien, monsieur? Que faites-vous sur ce stream? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait sur le stream, le bébé, là? Tu sens le parfum? Quelqu'un t'a étalé du parfum sur la tronche? Oui, t'es fatigué. Oui, c'est bisous. Ton front aussi sent le parfum. Hmm. Alors c'est l'autre ce matin là quand il s'est parfumé, je pense à coup de gazeuse là. On a mis absolument une tonne partout. Toute ta tête sent le parfum. Hmm. Fatigué, toi. Bien, ça c'est possible. Hein. Bah, j'avoue que ce matin, j'ai pas eu trop le temps de sentir sa tête. Oui, 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 je te vois, t'es fatigué. Va faire dodo dans ton lit là. Dans le mien, je m'en fous. Va faire dodo, t'es tout fatigué là. Comment il fait papa pour jouer? Comment il fait pour stream et gagner les croquettes de bébé? Hein? Comment il fait pour gagner les croquettes là? Parce que c'est pas toi qui rapporte les croquettes, hein? Tu gagnes même pas tes croquettes, t'as pas honte? Aizu? Donc ils t'ont levé à 7h aussi. Mais... Ça aurait été la même hein, que je me sois levé à 7 ou à 10. Hein. Bisous gros. Allez. Non, fini. Fini les câlins. Parlons à
Hey,
Carly.
Tommy.
C'était l'interlude toutou.
That radio sign-off didn't sound too good. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
You don't have to be. It's traumatic.
I'm sure some people got out. Maybe they're all being rescued. Then again, maybe not.
Ok, elle a vu qu'on s'inquiétait. On va la choper, je vous le dis.
Hey there. You ready
Allez.
to head out?
You got it. You?
Allez, ça part.
Let's go.
Donc on va aller aider Glenn qui est coincé au motel alors qu'il voulait chercher des provisions pour nous. Enfin pour le camp quoi.
Get down!
Il m'a encore foutu un sou dans son lit lui.
Did you see that?
Sure did.
C'est Glenn ça, il a dit qu'il était dans une poubelle.
Shoot.
Bah non, il y a des zombies.
Man, I'm glad you're here.
Jesus, Glenn.
Ready to shoot avec un zombie juste à côté. À l'aide.
Right then wasn't so hard.
Can we get out of here before any of these things notice us?
Not yet. There's a survivor trapped up there.
No way. We gotta go now.
Listen, I was out here looking for gas, and then, up there in the corner room, I heard crying coming from inside.
Who is it?
It's a girl. We talked and she got frightened. I was trying to get in and help her, and she started yelling and saying I was bitten. I tried to convince her I wasn't, and that's when all these guys came out of the forest. A couple almost got me, and I ended up hiding in the ice machine.
Lucky you. Now let's go.
We can't just leave her.
Damn
Si, on s'en branle, hein.
You guys are
Ah ouais?
suicidal. Over a girl.
I'm saving her, with or without you.
Think about if it was you.
Fine. Let's go save Glenn's damsel in distress.
Tous les jours je la laisse moi, vraiment. Y'a pas un monde où je vais la sauver moi dans la vraie vie. Hein. Alors ça, je me souviens à peu près
Okay, this is the plan.
de ce qu'il faut faire.
We don't know how hard it's gonna be to get her out of that room.
Yeah, it's boarded up.
So we have to kill every one of them in here. Quietly. Noise attracts these things. Now let's have a look around.
Il faut un coussin, une bougie, pousser la voiture pour coincer ce zombie là vers la hache, récupérer la hache.
Into a room, but I didn't see anyone actually in there.
We can hide by that RV if we're quiet and keep our heads down.
Bon, il faut que j'aille vers la voiture alors. Je peux pas fenêtre coup de poing, je
I
crois.
think I found a pretty damn good way to stuff these guys quietly.
Now we just have to get it quietly.
Je récupère une bougie ou je sais plus quoi là.
We can do something with that car, I bet. If it weren't for that fella lurking near the front.
Viens ici. Quelle est la différence entre à gauche et en haut? En haut c'est là.
We can hide by that RV. If we're quiet and keep our heads down.
J'ai un peu mal au dos par contre.
I'm not sure I can take them both out myself, even if I had a weapon.
We're a little naked out here, except for Carly's gun, and we can't use that much.
Merde. Ouais, j'ai vraiment rien d'autre là. Là j'ai rien non
Let's head
plus.
back to that wall. Safe there.
Je me souviens plus exactement. Est-ce que si je dis ouvrir porte, oh c'est fermé.
There's a pick in the truck. He's not going anywhere.
Pour le tuer, il faut le tournevis du coup. Ah, mais pourquoi en haut et à droite c'est la même chose?
Hey man, that drew some attention. Be careful.
Bah merde.
There's a truck over there. Maybe we can find you a weapon.
We should keep looking around for weapons.
Bon, on va retourner à la putain de voiture là. Je l'ai trouvé votre arme mais...
How are you going to kill that one by the car without attracting the others?
Their groaning attracts the others.
I think I found a pretty damn good way to stuff these guys quietly.
Now we just have to get it quietly.
I'm done trying to punch out windows.
Je suis à court d'idées. En fait,
We can do something with that car, I bet. If it weren't for that
il n'y avait pas mais on est devant. Oui, bah merci connard. J'ai fait chaque choix possible. Je ne comprends pas. Est-ce que si je branche ma manette, est-ce que je vais avoir le droit genre d'aller à droite et que ça va me débloquer? Ou vraiment juste je suis un connard? Non. C'est ça qui me tend, c'est que en haut et à droite c'est la même
Done trying
chose.
to punch out windows.
Donc je sais pas. Merde, alors comme j'ai branché la manette, ça va me faire ça. Ok, non, c'est bon. Ah, ça va être chiant. Oh, ça va être chiant. J'aurais pas dû brancher cette manette.
I'm not sure I can take them both out myself, even if I had a weapon.
We're going to need weapons.
Oui, merci, connard. Oh non, et du coup, oh, c'est bugué comme j'ai branché la manette. Ok, je sais pas. Je...
They really want to get into that room. They really want to get into that room.
L'affichage est bugué parce que j'ai branché la manette. Quand je vais à droite, ça montre ce putain de tournevis de merde.
I'm done trying to punch out windows. There's a pick in the truck.
Une pioche dans le camion.
He's not going anywhere.
Y'a un monde où c'est juste que je suis vraiment bugué ou... Et on va faire... Je vais pas me casser le cul longtemps. Euh...
They were good people.
Trying to shoot that guy from here is probably a bad idea, huh?
We can do something with that car, I bet. If it weren't for that There's a pillow over there.
Je suis juste un
As
connard.
far as I got when it came to supply gathering.
I might have an idea for
On est
it.
bon.
Good luck smothering them to death.
That's not really what I have in mind.
Le pire, c'est que c'est le seul truc que je n'ai pas cherché dans les premiers trucs que j'ai dit quand on est arrivé sur cette map. Hein.
I love this gun, but it sure isn't quiet.
Get out your gun.
But the noise.
Just follow my lead. Stay right behind me.
J'ai dit, il me faut un coussin et une bougie de voiture.
That was sick!
It's a sparky thing.
Spark plug. You should hold on to that. Could come in handy.
C'est comme à chaque fois, je n'écoute pas mes instincts.
There's a pig in the truck.
Wait. Let me see the spark plug. Porcelain inside these things turns car windows to tissue paper.
Ouais, quand ça c'est instinct. Ouais, mais je l'écoute jamais. Enfin, je l'écoute, je dis ce qui me dit. Ensuite, je me dis, ouais, mais j'oublie.
That could scramble a brain pretty good.
That's
voilà.
exactly what I was thinking.
Awesome!
J'ai vraiment call tout ce que je devais faire. J'ai juste été un con.
Dude, where'd your weapon go?
Into that ice pick sized hole.
Holy shit. It's cool. Now we've got this.
Are you two done?
Two more.
That should help.
Why don't you guys lag behind just in case this goes to hell?
Okay, we'll be right behind you.
Ah, mais c'est bien, cette fois tu suis dès le début de l'histoire. Pas au bout d'1 heure de stream où tu dis ah, j'ai pas écouté le début en fait.
Rad.
Ouais, dans 20 minutes, une demi-heure, t'as fini de suivre quoi. Dans l'idée.
Hello in there. We're here to help.
Let's go, guys.
In a minute. If you open up, we can take you somewhere safer. We've got a group in town.
No.
She's in trouble.
Miss, we're coming in.
You might want to break through that board first.
Des images au-dessus de moi. C'est pas vrai peut-être?
Stop! Just stop! I'm coming out.
You're hurt.
Oh god.
I said stay away.
We need to get you help.
It's too late for that.
Guys, she's been bitten.
What?
I told you, I said go away! I'm bit! But you wouldn't just leave.
Mais quel trou de balle ce Glenn.
You could be fine.
I won't be fine. My boyfriend was bitten. You get sick and you die and you come back and you kill anything you can find.
You have a boyfriend?
Glenn?
I don't want that. It's not Christian. Please, just leave me. Please go.
Pas de soucis.
Okay, we'll leave. Just try to take care of yourself for whatever time you have left.
You have a gun.
So,
Can I borrow it?
what do you mean borrow?
Give it to me. I can just, end this, and then there's no problem.
Pas totalement.
Whoa, whoa.
Please, I don't want to be one of them. They're satanic.
Give it to her.
What? You can't be serious.
Do it.
No.
She could turn right now. We can't take a risk. Hand it over to her.
God, just... Okay. Fine.
I've seen what hell is like, and it's coming back as one of those things. Thank you so much. I know how terrible this must be.
We can't watch this. Let's go.
We can't go yet.
What? Why
Elle
not?
récupère son flingue, mon gars.
Because somebody needs to pick up the gun. Can't leave it. You two go on.
Okay.
You sure?
Yeah. God bless you, all right?
God bless you too.
Dieu, il est pas censé être pas ok avec le suicide? Il est pas un peu en mode le suicide, bon. T'iras pas au paradis? Charisme, cet homme. Bah, en vrai, c'est le choix le plus logique. Lui, il a déjà tué quelqu'un, lui. Donc,
Glenn is fine and, well, yeah, we're okay.
I've got a few cans of gas for your pickup in the trunk of my car.
Good to hear it.
And things back here?
Quiet. Our friend is still in and out over there. He won't survive any more stress.
The next order of business is getting those pills out of the pharmacy.
ok. Faut parler à Carly, là. Oh, Carly, elle est en miettes, hein, la madame, là.
Central High Tech State. Paper's a week old. Feels like years. Story of the century here, huh?
Yeah, and I've got shit for recording equipment. And from the looks of it, there isn't going to be any shortage of first-hand accounts.
You do radio.
That's right. Well, until some piece of shit politicians yank our funding, and I hit the blogosphere.
I better get back to it.
Yep.
Thanks, by the way.
Don't mention it. Just remember what I said.
Yeah, I will.
Elle a dit la blogosphère. Hein. Je suis à ça de lui mettre une balle.
Can I do anything for you, Carly?
I'm fine, thanks.
Ok, d'accord. Donc tu veux pas parler de ce qui vient de se passer. Très bien. Alors, Clémentine. Comment ça va, ma grande?
Everything okay?
Mm-hmm.
Très bien, tout va bien. C'est elle que tu dragues. Ouais, c'est elle que je veux draguer. Parce que elle est cool. Et elle c'est une conne. Enfin, elle a l'air d'être un peu comme son gros daron là, donc. T'as suivi hier ou pas du tout? Du coup.
How you doing, Glenn?
You know.
Back to the motor inn.
How can it be that bad so fast?
You know, when things are taken away, people do crazy shit.
I guess. But that's not me. I'm not giving up. Not for anything.
Good, man. Good.
You let her do it, you know? You said give her the gun.
I know I did.
Why the hell would you do that?
She was dead anyway, all bitten up like that. It was over for her.
You better hope you're never bitten then.
No shit.
Il y aurait une meuf qui dit blogos. Après, Chaka Ponk, dans une de leurs musiques, on dit blogosphère. Détente, tu te rappelles de ma journée. Bah on a fait la même, hein, vraiment. À quelques détails près. On dirait que Chaka Ponk tous les jours.
Do you know the combination for the lock on the gate outside?
Why?
Oh, you know. I thought I'd go stretch my legs.
You're probably better off breaking it if you have to.
What's your next move?
I don't know. I mean, you guys seem okay.
What about your family?
Yeah,
Forget it, man. That's your business.
I hate feeling like I can't do anything.
I know the feeling, man. Try to get some rest.
Yeah, right.
Bon du coup, faut qu'on pète le cadenas, on prenne une brique,
How
on
we
récupère les
doing?
clés.
Good. Want to go have a look around outside?
Oui, Doug.
Let's have a look around.
Okay.
Let's have a look around. Moi aussi je suis anglophone, hein.
I can't reach that brick.
La télécommande à Doug.
Think you can do anything with this?
You know what I could do?
What's that?
It's universal. I could program it to work with those TVs across the street. Let's just hope the power's still on.
You can just do that?
Well, I memorized all the codes when I was in AV. Let's try.
Oh le nerd.
Well fucking done, Doug. All that dork nonsense might save a life.
Who's to say it already hasn't? That got a few of them to take notice.
But not enough.
Oh ils s'en battent les couilles. C'est des zombies, hein, ils regardent pas la télé, hein.
That guy over there has the keys.
How can you be sure?
I found this in the office. That boy in the photo worked here. The keys being on him is as good a bet as we can make.
Yeah, I agree. Just need to figure out how to get out there and get them. You wouldn't need long, right?
Just a few seconds.
Maybe there's a way to distract them and buy you some time.
Par exemple avec les télés.
Awesome. Now to
Ça a fait si peu de bruit? Mensonge. Absolute mensonge.
Can't reach that brick.
Le cadenas en papier là. Ouvrir la grille a fait plus de bruit que casser le cadenas. À coups de hache. Bref. BRF. Quel jeté de briques. Un vrai casseur dans une manif.
Now's the time.
Je vais peut-être pas faire 2 heures de stream, moi. J'arrive, hein. Oh, j'ai un coup de barre d'un coup. Il est terrible, c'est... Oh, adieu. Oh, il a pop dans ma gueule.
Be careful.
Keep an eye out, will you?
Que là, il est quelle heure? Ça fait que 47 minutes. Ça fait que 40 minutes que je stream.
Hey, bud. I don't know what happened to Mom and Dad, but I know if you were there, you would have died for them. So,
Oui, alors...
I'm gonna assume that's what happened.
Did you find them
Non,
yet?
mais...
Give me a second.
Le bras qui traverse... Bon.
I got to do this now, man. I got to do this.
Et c'est ciao le frangin. Mais vise la tête comme t'as fait avec tous les autres zombies, putain. Ah, y a aucun effort de fait. Hein. Ah bah dis donc.
There we go.
Here we go. C'est la fin
Holy
de
crap.
Mario.
Run!
C'est sûr que si tu gueules... Cours!
Man, that was close.
But we did it. It's all that matters. I've got the keys.
Great. God, you're amazing. Let's
Et dans mes souvenirs, le vieux con, c'est un raciste aussi. Bon, l'un va avec l'autre en même temps, tu me diras, mais...
Oh no. Shit. We gotta hurry.
Oh, c'est blanc dans mes yeux. What you? Dring dring dring. Venu.
Doc, come on, baby, time to go.
I'm gonna get the truck pulled up round back!
Do it fast. I gotta get my dad out of here.
I don't plan on dilly-dallying. Honey, take Duck into the office and barricade the living hell out of the door behind me. Glenn, when you hear me honking in the alley, start getting people out of here. You got it. Doug, Carly, and Lee, you guys make sure our defenses stay up till then. And Lee, I better take that axe in case I run into any of them on the way to my truck.
Here you go.
Alright, that door's not locked anymore. Shit! You three, get on it! I'll get back as fast as I can.
Stay away from the windows.
Hey, Lee. If we don't make it through this, you should know that I think you're a great guy.
On s'en sortira.
Doug, if we don't make it through this, you should know.
I should know what?
Huh?
You said I should know.
Shit! On it.
Are you sure?
Shit!
Oh, shit! Okay, then. Clementine, can you look for something to stick in between the handles? Something real strong, okay?
Okay.
Clementine, did you find anything?
Nothing! Wait!
The window is screwed!
Go!
I found something!
La canne de papy. Donc je dois choisir entre l'espèce de nerds où on s'en bat un peu les couilles et celle que je drague. Le choix est vite répondu. Et en plus elle a un pistolet. Fin du débat. Est-ce que Doug a un pistolet? Non.
Oh my god.
Let's go!
They got
Dit blogosphère.
They...
You gotta move!
Crève sale pute. Pas la gamine.
Not covered with this, you son of a bitch!
No!
Et ouais.
I'm not letting somebody else get eaten today. Especially a good friend.
Et lui c'est vraiment le boss. C'est le boss Kenny. Alors que l'autre sombre fils de pute là. De retour au motel. Ah il a meuf du coup.
Oh man, Clementine!
Est-ce qu'on aurait pu la laisser canner? Je sais pas.
And then this one time, Derek and Super Dad
Did you check the glove box?
But Derek had an underwater mega
You never
laser.
pay attention to when you leave things. Hey, can you just look over it? Everything we own would be lost if I left you alone for 5 minutes. I don't know how hard it is to keep track of things. It's not like we have much to begin with.
Bon. Lui ce fils de chien là-bas là. Oh si je peux le tuer un jour, je le tue.
Hey, Glenn.
Atlanta, stage 9 catastrophe. Augusta, stage...
I think I need to go.
Did you check the glove box?
To Atlanta.
Yeah, I got friends there, and I just can't stay here knowing that they could be trapped in that city.
Sounds like nobody knows what's happening there. When we left a few days ago, could have gone either way.
I gotta take my chances.
Know how hard it is to keep track of things. It's not like we have much to begin with.
Du coup là, Papillon, t'es en train de language shaming Carly? Parce qu'elle a dit blogosphère? D'accord. En vrai, Glenn, il a l'air d'être stylé quand même. Est-ce qu'on lui dit Skip Atlanta, c'est vraiment la merde. Est-ce qu'on lui dit que c'est vraiment une idée de con? Ou alors on lui dit va chercher tes potes et plus tard dans l'histoire on le retrouve et il sera en mode regarde qui j'ai trouvé! J'ai trouvé Mikey Mike! Alors que si on lui dit de rester, il reste, Mikey Mike il meurt. Et Glenn est tellement triste qu'il se suicide de tristesse. On va lui dire d'aller trouver ses potes.
Find your friend. Be safe.
Thanks, Lee. That means a lot. I don't mean to abandon you all, but this seems like an okay setup, and I'm sure things will be back to normal around here in no time.
Le pouvoir de
You guys be
l'amitié.
safe.
We'll try.
And Lee, you know, if this doesn't get better, people are going to give up. Like the girl from upstairs. Are you just gonna let them? You told Carly to give her the gun.
Yeah, I did.
Maybe you were right. I don't know how to handle something like that. Anyway.
Bah là, elle est... Mais c'est pas qu'elle avait abandonné, elle était mordue, Glenn. Là, par contre, fais un effort, je t'en supplie. Elle allait se transformer en zombie. C'est pas juste, elle avait un bobo. Elle s'était fait croque-croque-croquis. Elle s'était fait croque-madame, là. Évidemment, elle veut en finir, elle veut pas se transformer. Seems legit. Juste give up son mindset, quoi. Oh, oh les discours là des connards qui sont là. Ne give up pas ton mindset. Continue ta start-up. Tu vas tout déchirer. Tout est dans le mindset. C'est bon.
Hey, kid.
Close call back there.
Thanks for picking me up.
No problem. We have to take care of each other.
Yeah, we do.
You said you wanted kids once.
I did. Yeah.
Well, she's not your daughter, so you can't treat her like she is.
Et pourquoi pas?
I know that.
But you can take care of her. Hell, maybe better than a father even could.
Thanks, Kenny.
Oh, les bureaux,
I got your back,
c'est
pal.
clairement ça. Hein. C'est clairement la balle. Hein. Ils sont en mode ça va pas là dans l'équipe. Le mindset ne va pas bien. On va faire un team building. Vous en faites pas les gars. On va retrouver notre mindset de gagnant et de vainqueur.
How you doing, Carly?
I'm okay. You know, considering.
I do. Yeah.
I can't stop thinking about Doug. We couldn't have saved him, could we?
I don't think so. Pretty fast.
I know it's stupid. We just met. And he was such a... It's just that... I think that I liked him.
Elle l'aimait bien en plus.
You'll be all right.
C'est bête.
Yeah, definitely.
Ça fait de la
Anyway,
concurrence en moins.
I'd rather be alone, I think.
Ah.
I understand.
Wait, Lee?
What is it?
Ouais.
What did you choose? We both needed you. You picked me.
Tu veux pas savoir pourquoi je t'ai choisi, mais
It's gonna help you both.
But you helped me first.
Yeah, I did.
I just wish we both could have made it, you know?
Me too, Carly.
faire un team building avec les membres de mon entreprise, je pense. T'es toute seule, non?
Oh man, check this out. The Dumatron had this minigun on his shoulder. It's all like
Et lui, la petite salope, là.
that Super Dinosaur was toast. But you know what? He wasn't. Oh, and then...
Hey, Duck, you wanna cool it
Ça
for
s'appelle
me?
des vacances, du coup.
Okay, sorry.
C'est bien vrai, ça.
I'm sorry, there's not a lot of kids here.
No, it's not that. It's... I got grabbed again.
I
Oh,
was there,
bébou.
though.
I fell, and my walkie-talkie broke. Glenn had the other one.
Can you just look over there?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thanks. I know I need to be tough. I'm just sad. I know it doesn't make any sense, but it's how I used to talk to my mom and dad. And now they're gone. It's gone.
Oh non, la
Maybe we
bébou.
can find you another one.
I'll just keep this one, I guess.
Lee, come here for a second.
Hein?
Let me go deal with this.
Oh man, Clementine.
Oh
and
putain.
everything. And then this one
Et le harceleur là.
You like my daughter?
Elle va bien.
Fine, huh? Well, just fuck you, Lee Everett. That's right. I know who you are, and I know you're a killer. And you go near my daughter or step on a line once, and so will everyone else.
Une menace sombre merde?
And I don't give a shit about what happens to you. But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you've got with you, you watch your ass.
Je te jure que dès que je peux, je le tue. J'en ai rien à foutre de lui.
Lee, do you have a second?
Regarde mieux là. Chien.
My dad would be dead if it weren't for you.
Ouais.
That guy Doug is dead because of me.
Ton père serait mort si j'avais pas été là, et il a essayé de me tuer, ce fils de pute, hein.
We're lucky to have you.
I hope that's the sound of us winning this thing.
Me too.
This motor inn's pretty damn defendable. We block off the entrances with some cars, keep someone on watch. We could stay here until the military rolls through.
I actually agree with that plan.
Me too.
We got beds, we got water, and most importantly, we got light. There are worse places to call home.
Oh, comment les lumières elles vont s'éteindre.
You know, guys, I think it's going to be okay.
Tellement sûr. Regardez, on a de la lumière, c'est bon. Et les booms, c'était juste la centrale électrique. La prochaine fois, on regarde pas, on se spoil pas. Que je peux passer le truc.
If we survive the walkers. Never expected they'd starve us out.
I want you to have this, okay? In
Ok,
case you
attendez.
or Clementine starts feeling weak.
You don't know me anything, Carly. How you doing, Clementine?
I'm really hungry, Lee.
We gotta get food, Lee. Soon.
Howdy, I'm Andrew St. John. We're from the St. John Dairy.
It's beautiful.
I never did thank you for saving Duck from the walkers back at Herschel's farm.
Something's coming, Lee. There's gonna be a war.
The walkers don't worry me as much as the bandits.
You fucked with us! Now we're gonna take what we want! There's too many of them!
You've never liked my dad.
Oh, c'est terrible d'être con comme ça. Ah ouais, c'est terrible. Oh, la fatigue, elle est... Je sais même plus lire un écran. Bon. Bah... C'est-à-dire que j'ai plusieurs pistes audio quand même, hein. Et il y a écrit micro-casque et son du jeu. J'ai réussi à inverser les deux, c'est terrible. Alors, les pourcentages de ce qu'on a fait... Non! Attends, mais je pouvais juste faire menu principal là? Et y a rien qui va, c'est terrible, hein. Ou faut attendre là. On va attendre. On va attendre, on va baisser un peu le son et on va attendre. Et c'est... j'en peux plus là, je mute pas le bon truc, je parle pendant 3 minutes là tout seul comme un connard. Pendant qu'il y a une voix en anglais qui parle. J'étais en train de dire qu'il y avait un toutou derrière moi qui dormait et qui était en train de rêver. Qu'il était genre en train de courir ou quoi. Parce qu'il tremblait de partout, il était en mode oui, oui, je cours, oui. Euh... 1 heure, donc ouais, c'est environ 3 heures l'épisode du coup. C'est long le bail là. Nom de fou, c'est ce qu'elles me disent toutes. Ok, là du coup je start l'épisode 2. Je peux pas voir du coup, putain, faut là que je regarde le rediff du coup. Est-ce qu'on commence l'épisode 2? Oui. Previously on The Walking
I know
Dead.
who you are.
I got another good one for you.
Ah ouais. Merde, qu'est-ce que j'ai dit pour que tu mettes ah ouais? J'ai déjà oublié.
I want my parents to come home now.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout.
It's Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Non, y a plus Doug. Doug il est mort. Doug il s'est fait il se fait Dougie manger.
Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
We reason with him.
Ils disent tout ça. Ah oui, ok.
Threatens my boy.
Et elles disent tout ça. Mais à propos de mon énorme charisme.
But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you've got with you, you watch your ass.
Ouais, mon énorme charisme. Évidemment. Telltale Games presents The Walking Dead. Et ça part. What? Oh, tiens! C'était écrit quoi? 3 mois?
Damn it. What'd they get this time?
Looks like a rabbit.
Oui.
Well, that's another meal lost. I still can't believe we went through all that commissary food in 3 months. It seemed like so much at the time.
Maybe you shouldn't have opened the door.
Yeah, except then I'd probably be food by now. Trust me, I have no regrets.
Rabbit's hardly a meal, Mark, but I'd take it. We're all hungry.
No kidding. When I accidentally grabbed for Carly's rations
Moi je
the other
suis.
night, I thought she was gonna take off my hand.
We're all on edge. Just cut us some slack.
Ouais, lâche un peu la grappe de Carly là.
You're right. I wish I knew for sure how much food we have left.
On sortira.
Maybe. You know, some people aren't too happy about the way Lily's handling rations.
Lily knows it's important to keep the adults fed and functioning. Sometimes that means someone's gotta miss a meal.
You think Kenny's having any more luck than we are out here?
I sure hope so.
Yeah, between the lack of food and Kenny and Lily fighting all the time, things are getting pretty tense back at the motor inn. You know, Kenny's been talking about taking off if he can get that RV running.
Bah ouais, s'il prend soin de sa famille, seems legit hein.
And they're safest in a big group. Going out on his own will get them all killed. Can't blame him though. Did you hear Larry going off on him last night? What's the old guy's deal anyway? Seems like he's got a problem with you in particular.
He thinks I'm a danger to the group and Clementine.
I think he's the one putting us in danger. The way Lily worries about his health, I wouldn't be surprised if she's been skimming rations for him. And I know Lily thinks he's getting weaker, but the guy's all muscle. He's a walking pile driver. I know I wouldn't want to be stuck in a room with him. And didn't he punch you in the face one time?
Knock me flat.
C'est vrai que le gros bonhomme là, s'il a pas maigri en 3 mois alors qu'il faut rationner, un piaf ça se bouffe hein.
I'd hate to waste the bullets.
Trust me, if I don't think I can hit it, I won't shoot.
Ok. Gros bouffon.
Shit, was that Kenny?
I don't know. Come on.
5 secondes avant. Je vais pas tirer si je suis pas sûr de l'avoir, hein. T'inquiète. Je suis un as de la visée, je vais tuer cet oiseau. Connard. On lui dit, gâche pas les munitions. T'inquiète, je vais l'avoir. Oh, espèce de con.
Jesus Christ.
Oh shit, no, please don't kill us. We just want to help our teacher. We'll leave, I swear.
Lee, you guys okay? Get it off! Get it off! God damn it! Get
Et
it
ta
off!
gueule, ta gueule, ta gueule! S'il y a des zombies là.
These might be the same guys that raided our camp and we barely got away from that.
What guys? Why the fuck is there a bear trap out here?
It's okay. We're not gonna hurt you.
Don't listen to them, Ben. Please, just let us go. We're not a threat to you.
Mais
Chill out. We'll try to help you, but you gotta shut the fuck up.
Lee, this is fucked up. We've gotta help. Please. Ben,
oui mais
shut-
fermez-la.
Special forces, I know what I'm doing.
Just see if you can get him out. After that, you can leave us or whatever. I don't care. Please.
Pas notre
This isn't
problème.
a problem. We should go.
No, please. At least just look at the trap. Just look at it, and maybe you can tell us how to get it off. Please help me. Hurry, please, hurry.
Lee, this trap's been altered. There's no release latch.
Et bah voilà, donc on s'en fout. C'est pas notre problème, frère. Hein.
Shit, walkers. It's now or never, Lee. Please, get me out of this.
Mark, get the boys back. Kenny, keep those walkers off of me.
Hier, ça. On coupe la jambe? Parce que jamais je peux couper quelque chose comme ça, hein, avec ma hache. Hein. On lui coupe. La jambe. Il y a déjà un garrot.
No. Try the trap again. Anything, please.
Et je voulais pas l'aider, moi. Hein. Et à un moment, c'est pas notre problème. Hein.
We don't have time for that. I'm sorry, but we have to go now. Oh God.
Shit. Is he?
He passed out.
If he's alive, grab him and let's go.
On s'emmerde. Qu'est-ce qu'on va s'emmerder avec un unijambiste à qui il va falloir donner des médocs et tout. Oh là là.
Travis! Come on, we gotta move.
Mon père était dans les forces spéciales, je sais ce que je fais. Aïe aïe aïe. Bon par contre si je peux garder en vie le gamin, Pour une seule raison. Il s'appelle Ben. Like my best friendo. Tiens, l'énorme fils de pute. Ah, elle est où sa casquette? Mais il a vraiment une gueule de con, lui, hein. C'est terrible, hein. Je l'aime pas, hein. Déjà, seconde 1, c'était un connard, donc... C'est moi de jouer, là? Non. Ça va. Ah, sa tête, je peux pas, hein. C'est terrible, hein. C'est physiologique, c'est physique, tout.
Get the gates open! We've got wounded!
Shit! What the hell are they doing?
Come on, come on!
God. What happened?
Where's
Hell, what's going
Don't
on?
have time to explain.
Lee, are you okay?
Get him into the truck. I'll see what I can do.
Cat,
okay?
can you fix him?
Jesus, Ken.
Lee.
I don't know.
Lee! What the hell? You can't just be bringing new people here. What are you thinking?
Hey, you want to calm down for a fucking minute?
No, I don't! I want to know why you thought bringing more mouths to feed was a good idea.
He would have died if we left him.
So what?
We are not responsible for every struggling survivor we come
Je suis d'accord
across.
avec elle, hein.
We have to focus on our group, right here, right now.
Well, hang on. We haven't even talked to these people yet. Maybe they can be helpful.
Come on, Lily. These are people. People trying to survive just like us. We've got to stick together to survive.
The only reason you're here is because you had food. Enough for all of us. But that food is almost gone. We've got maybe a week's worth left. And I don't suppose you guys are carrying any groceries, are you?
No?
Fine, you guys fight it out then. Welcome to the family, kid.
Come over here and see what I drew.
What? No,
Just come on, okay?
You know, you like to think you're the leader of this little group, but we can make our own goddamn decisions. This isn't your own personal dictatorship.
Oh, come on. You're being dramatic. Everything always
Ce sont des
turns into
choses
a
qui arrivent,
power
ouais.
struggle between you two. I'm not going to be a part of that.
Hey, I didn't ask to lead this group. Everyone was happy to have me distributing the food when there was enough to go around, but now that it's running out, suddenly I'm a goddamn Nazi.
Kenny's right. Yeah, you're in charge of the food and the schedules, but you're not in charge of people's lives.
Really?
You weren't there. Lee made a choice. End of story.
Look, once Katja patches that guy up, you can kick him out of here.
Après,
On their own, I couldn't care less, but they at least
moi
deserve a
vraiment,
fighting
j'étais
chance
pour les
against us.
dégager, hein. Je m'en battais les couilles d'eux.
And for the record, Kenny wanted to leave those people behind.
If Kenny would pull his head out of his ass for 5 seconds, he'd realize that I make these decisions to protect his family. We simply don't have enough food.
I don't see any of you stepping up to make the hard decisions. My girl's got more balls than all of you combined.
Dad, please. Why don't you go help Mark with the wall?
Ouais, c'est des choses qui arrivent, hein. Il y en a, tu les vois, tu les aimes pas, hein.
I'm doing such a shitty job, then you do it. That's all the food we have for today. You decide who gets to eat. No, I'm serious.
Il dit
We've
toujours
got
blogosphère,
business
hein.
on handing
il-
it out. You see how it feels to not have enough food for everyone.
C'est moi qui dois distribuer la nourriture? Comment ça va pas être compliqué? Compliqué? 4 morceaux? 4 pour 10? Ok. Il dit toujours blogosphère. Aïe aïe aïe. Rêve de fou, ouais. Alors, de 1, Larry t'en as pas. De 2, Larry t'en as pas. De 3, Larry t'en as pas. En 4, Larry t'en as pas. Voilà. Fils de chien, ouais. On donne à Clémentine, à Kenny, son gamin. À Carly, parce qu'on veut toujours la choper. Et qu'en plus, maintenant, elle a une petite doudoune rose. Donc déjà, Clémentine. Par contre, où est sa casquette?
I
Ah,
don't know. Can you help me find it?
ouais, pas de soucis.
When did you lose it?
I had it a couple days ago.
I promise. If I find it, I'll let you know.
Thank you.
Okay, Clem. I've got to take care of some things. Why don't you go back to playing with Duck for a while?
Okay.
Faut que je retrouve. Quelle heure? J'ai essayé, encore une fois essayé de double tap mon téléphone. Hein. Voilà, voilà. Quelle heure il est là? En vrai, ça fait 1h30. Hmm. Je trouve que c'est pas trop mal. On a fini l'épisode 1. On a fait entre guillemets la grosse cinématique du début de l'épisode 2. Je trouve qu'on est pas trop mal, non? Je fais un stream plus court que d'habitude, mais bon. D'habitude, j'ai quand même... Et en plus, j'ai tout compris. Du coup, qu'est-ce que t'as pas suivi? Bah non, mais dis-moi. Ah, alors, en plus, j'ai tout compris, c'était pas ironique. C'est que tu... C'est pas ironique. Ah, mais ça va. Putain, t'as réussi à tout suivre aujourd'hui, c'est beau. Allez hop, zouf.
Sur la voix, moins 6 sur l'instant.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Ok. Comme ça... Ah, je veux... Est-ce qu'on se ferait pas une petite omelette ce soir? Petite omelette aux pâtes s'il y a des pâtes dans le frigo, ou petite omelette au fromage? Ça me paraît bien. Et bah ouais. J'allais dire, je vais mettre de la musique libre de droit. Non, j'ai commencé avec du Metallica. Bon. Que ça serait pas de ciao le stream là. Je vais me faire manger, me laver, tout ça. And quickly subdue. Ouais, comme ça moi je vais me faire greg tranquillou tout ça. Bon allez. Des kissouilles le stream. Mouah.